guys, so today I'm going to be opening up this package that I got from AGLovePug / WolvesFamily for winning second place in her 300 subscriber giveaway. So let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I'm trying to hit 315 subscribers by the end of the month and 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So let's get started. Okay, so I actually don't remember what I won, so this is going to be a surprise to both of us. So, first thing that I see is this little card. Says, "Dear Ladybug AG06, I hope you like your doll skirt." So I guess that's why I got. Your video was so funny. I really enjoyed watching it. Keep up the great work. Congrats and God bless, Samantha. And it has this camera and it says Ladybug AG06, and at the top it says, "For whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved." Romans 10:13. So it is this little flowered skirt. It's super cute. So it just has these flowers all around it, and then it has elastic. So now I'm going to get those on a doll. Alright, so here it is on Isabel. I just decided to pair it with Tenny's lace shirt because I couldn't think of anything else to pair it with that looked good. So it looks super cute. So thank you so much, AGLovePug / WolvesFamily, for giving me second place. I can't wait to a lot of photo shoots and videos. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!